Need a professional to mount a TV onto drywall. Hey guys, so here I have a plexiglass to imitate drywall, and behind here I have some metal studs. Well, the answer to that question, with the right tools and right products, you do not have to hire a professional to mount your TV. As you can see here, this is the Condomounts fixed drywall mount, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. It's pretty much very easy. With the right tools, you can do it because Condomounts has this product with all the things needed. And I repeat, with all the things needed. It even includes a drill bit, right? A drill bit for you to drill the holes into the drywall. This is the drill bit. It's a titanium coated drill bit. It's a 1/2 inch drill bit, suitable to mount your TV onto drywall and metal stud. So after drilling the holes, what you do now is take these elephant anchors, and there's 4 of them. Right? I've already made these holes, so I'm going to place all 4 elephant anchors into the holes. Type one here, and the last one here. And to fasten these wall anchors onto the drywall, it's pretty much very simple. Pull this hole right here, and then pull the clip towards the drywall. All 4 of them, alright? So towards the drywall, and 2 more here, towards the drywall. Make sure it's tight, and then to remove this extra clip, you just move this clip up and down. Just like that. See that? So now you have 4 wall anchors, and as I said, with the right tools, you can make the job easy. Right? So what you do is, I have a drill right here. And Condomounts always makes life easier for us. They have attached this level to make sure that your TV mount is straight on the drywall. So I'm going to place the first screw through the elephant anchors and use this. So 2 here and 1 more right here. Tighten all 4 screws, and now you're ready to mount your TV onto the Condomounts fixed TV wall mount.